house and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough.
Arriving in BLIENSCHWILLER, it's been years since I was here. 12 years, I think. So we're gonna visit our host families in this very cute village, Alsatian village, which offers very good Alsatian wines as well.
The hours and minutes till the last.
So this is the big work, guys, before you drink the very good Alsatian wines. You see those oak barrels. I can only describe to you the smell of oak barrels.
Raise your glass and sing. No need for
this one was, Annie said that it was made by the father of Benoit. What does it say? Oh, he speaks German, by the way.
It says everything that we have is given by.
Let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year, the best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year. Hear, hear.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air.
We are now in Eguisheim, guys. This village is classed as one of the most beautiful villages in France. Look at that.
And indeed it is. Look.
Yeah, so
it's
magical.
Beautiful.
Yes, it's like one of those venues for Disney movies. Yeah.
Yes.
How we long for you, Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. Christmas.